When you advertise on Amazon, this is the end goal. You want a campaign that's performing very well, spending very little money, and making you a lot of sales. But unfortunately, that's not how it starts. Ads themselves do not manage themselves on their own. You have to manage them. Now, I know content about ads can be a little bit tricky, and I know most of you would rather that we make content that is easier to consume, such as product research as an example. But if you are currently selling on Amazon, you need to watch this video so that you can understand how you can better increase your sales and your ad performance. Now, why is the info in this video very important? Well, simply because an automatic campaign is the basic type of campaign that I'm sure you have already launched or looking to launch, but it is a discovery type of campaign. Basically, Amazon decides when to show your product based on the listing itself, based on customers' search queries, and based on specific products that are similar to your current products. Now, because Amazon is helping you discover the search terms that might work well for your product, it's going to cast somewhat of a wide net. That's why an automatic campaign after a certain time might start targeting very broad keywords, or even worse yet, irrelevant keywords for your product. Amazon Ads itself says that automatic campaigns are a useful tool to discover keywords for manual campaigns. And the search term report that I'm going to show you in the video how to download is a useful tool to tell you which keywords are generating sales and the keywords that you need to target, and which keyword or search terms you would need to negatively target. So technically, the purpose of an auto campaign is not just to generate sales, but rather it's to tell you as a seller which customer search terms are performing incredibly well for your product and which ones you would need to target. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to download a customer search term report, how to understand the information, and how to target the keywords that are performing well. What do you need to do with them? So let's get to work. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal from Sellers Society. We are an award-winning agency based out of Dubai and supporting sellers on Amazon and other marketplaces since 2019. Now, I'm an Amazon Ads educator, and this video is in partnership with Amazon Ads. 4 steps, let's get to it, with step number 1 being very easy. You need to launch an auto campaign. If you're not really sure how to launch an auto campaign, well, guess what? I've got a dedicated video about it. I'll leave it linked in the description box of this video. But essentially, an auto campaign needs to be running for at least 20 days with the proper budget so that it starts generating keywords and data. Now, we're going to get into the search term report, but something additional that Amazon Ads recommends is that you don't make any changes to any particular search term or keyword unless it has a minimum of 20 clicks. Now, of course, we need to take into consideration if the keyword is completely irrelevant, I wouldn't even give it 20 clicks. I would remove it immediately. However, if it is a relevant keyword to your product, you need to give it a little bit of time until you see whether or not or what you want to do with it. So let's move on to step number 2 and let's download the customer search term report. Let's get started by talking about where to download the report. You log into your Amazon Ads Manager, and then you go to Measurement and Reporting, and then you go to Sponsored Ads Report. Once you land on this dashboard, your dashboard might look different. If this is the first time you're creating a report, you simply click on Create Report. Once you create a report, make sure that you select Sponsored Products and then Search Terms. And you can decide the reporting period. It naturally comes at 30 days. You can make it shorter if you wanted to. And then you simply click on Run Report. And you wait until the report is finalized, and then you can download it. Once you download the report, you'll notice there's so much information. The most important elements in the report I've highlighted here: the customer search term, clicks, spend, ACOS, and total orders or total sales. Those metrics are what are important for you to look at to decide what to do with the search term or the keyword. Now, the search term might be a word like you see here in an example, or it might be an ASIN,
as automatic campaigns tend to target both keywords as well as other products.
Step number 3, divide the search term report into 3 groups. And for me, the easiest thing would be to add extra sheets, each sheet related to the group. Group number 1 would be promote, group number 2 would be negate, and group number 3 would be test. As an example, in group number 1, we wanted to look at keywords that have an acceptable ACOS. So the search term is large pencil case, 12 clicks. We spent only 24 dirhams. It generated 160 dirhams in sales. So the ACOS is 15%. Definitely, this is a great performing keyword as it hits all the markers. Group number 2, negate, kids school bag, received more than 20 clicks, spent 44 dirhams, generated absolutely no sales. I would negate it. Group number 3 would be testing. Pencil pouch has only received 5 clicks, so hasn't really gotten enough data. Has spent 10 dirhams, which isn't a big number, but has generated 0 sales. But since it hasn't generated a lot of clicks, and the search term or the keyword is somewhat relevant to the product that we intend to sell, we'll keep testing it and check back in a few weeks. Now, step number 4, let's move the winners into a manual campaign.
So creating a manual campaign is very similar to an automatic campaign. I'm inside of the actual campaign, and instead of automatic, I'm going to choose manual. Here, I can either target keywords or products, and I can either get some suggested keywords from Amazon itself, or I can enter my list. Now, in the example, we're going to be using large pencil case, but I'm just going to be targeting it as an exact keyword because I know that that's the exact keyword. Add keyword, I'm going to choose like a general bid right now, and there you go. Sometimes Amazon does give you the suggested bid and then you can select, or you can keep a bid yourself and then play around with it. All you would need to do is continue the campaign, decide on the bidding strategy, decide on the final campaign budget, and then launch the campaign.
Now, of course, we've also created a downloadable PDF file that you can download right now for free that contains the step-by-step guide as to what I talked about in this video. Make sure that you download, linked in the description box of this video. And if you need help and support, make sure that you do reach out to us on www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll learn a little bit more about our programs, how we can help you one-on-one, and you'll also be able to book a call with our team. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.